Some of the common challenges that I'm seeing that direct sellers are facing on a regular basis with modern day strategies is really empowering them to actually put them in place, right? There's something still that, we have that stigma that it feels scary or intimidating, but most direct sellers are lacking confidence and experience to actually go out there and implement what they're doing. One of the things that we do inside our Modern Direct Seller Academy is that we have accountability built into our program. So there's a way that they can log in each day and say they got the most important things done in their business, click a button and confetti falls from the computer screen, right? It's the little things like that that really are important for them. So when we're thinking about accountability, that's something that a company can build in to really support direct sellers and have more consistency in their business, because I think a lot of them are really struggling with that confidence of what to do and when to do it, and then doing it on a regular basis. I think another common challenge that I'm seeing across the field is that we do a really great job serving our repeat customers and those customers that shop with us on the regular, but it's a bit harder to bring in new customers. And we know that when we bring in new customers, that leads to new hosts and that leads to new teammates. It leads to, good things happening in your business, but it all starts with bringing in fresh energy and new customers. So really focusing training and strategies and incentives around bringing in new into your business is going to prove to be really, really profitable as well. So when we're thinking about those challenges the direct sellers are facing, I would say accountability is definitely up there on the list, as is finding new customers that want to try out their product. And if you have a catalog or if you have a sample system, really thinking about what those baby steps are from the time they connect with somebody, especially in the online space, and when they actually ask for the sale, because there's probably a few things that happen in between. Maybe it's sending a catalog, maybe it's sending a video, maybe it's sending a sample, maybe it's just building the relationship and asking some great curiosity type questions that are going to pull people in to their business. So really helping the field see, okay, I'm going to post this, then I'm going to share this, and I'm going to invite them to do these things, and then they're going to be a customer. So having them really see that long-term vision and knowing that customers just don't come flying out of thin air. It's going to take time and it's going to take focus to continue to build that relationship in a really good way before they say yes and jump right in.